Hello, here we are in Los Angeles doing a Dutch-Flemish inspired holiday piece today, keeping it in the fall tones for the Thanksgiving holiday coming up. It's a mixture of lots of eucalyptuses, grevillea, amaranthus, that is kale, Asiatic lilies, hypericum berries, and an ode to Van Gogh with the sunflower. So all in a silver urn. Dutch-Flemish inspired, loosey-goosey, gardeny collection of flowers. Perfect for an entryway into your big house for the holiday. You can get these flowers FedEx to you via Michael's Flower Garden. You can take the classes in full at flowerschool101.com, and you can also order individual classes there. So there is no excuse not to have something really pretty like a Dutch-Flemish inspired piece sitting on your dining room table today. This is Michael Gaffney for flowerschool101.com and michaelsflowergarden.com. Happy holiday.